Alright guys, in this section we're discussing what is the pattern day trader rule. So this is known as the PDT rule. If you have under $25,000 in your account and you have a margin account, then you're restricted by the PDT rule. This means you can only place 3 trades in a 5 business day period. This is because you are borrowing money to trade, which is what we discussed in the margin versus cash account section, so they want to restrict you. All Robinhood accounts, if you're trading with the Robinhood broker, if you don't know what that is, you will know later, but a Robinhood broker is something that you use, to buy and sell stocks or options. They automatically give you a margin account. If you wish to switch to a cash account, then they won't let you trade options. That's just a side note to understand about Robinhood, but we'll discuss that later in the broker section. So the PDT rule, first off, if you have a margin account and it's under 25K, you will be restricted to this. If you have a cash account under 25K, you will not be restricted to this. This only applies to margin accounts. Now, if you have a margin account, that's not a bad thing. Let's just understand the rules that you're going to have to abide by. This means you can only place 3 trades in every 5 business day period. So if you place 1 trade, you have to wait 5 business days until you can trade again. So if you trade on Monday and you want access to be able to trade that one more trade again, you have to wait until Tuesday of next week or Monday, the 5 business day period. So after you trade once on Monday, you have 2 more trades left, and then you can trade that on Tuesday, and then you have 1 trade left, and you can trade that on Wednesday, or you can trade it all on Monday. But then you're going to have to wait 5 business days to get access to that trade that you took again. So just understand that if you're stuck in a trade, if you like day trading options or day trading stocks instead of swinging, we'll talk about both in this course, then you want to make sure that you always have a trade available. If you are day trading or swing trading, you want to make sure you always have a trade available, because you want to be able to exit that trade. So we will talk. So like this specific the pattern day trader rule is stupid. I really think if you're trading options, to have a cash account. If you're swing trading stocks, you won't have a problem, because the pattern day trader rule only applies to day trading. So if you buy and sell the stock in the same day, it's counted as a trade. If you buy it in one day and wait till the next day, that's considered swing trading. So you're not knocked off for that. So I hope y'all understand that. I can explain it more if needed, but please watch this video. I think it fully explains it to the best of my abilities. And if you want more information on it, please contact me. Alright guys, see you in the next section.